Odot D-Series Control System product introduction. In the current era of rapidly advancing industrial automation and smart manufacturing, efficient and reliable remote control systems have become essential. The Odot D-Series remote control system, comprising the Diagnose, DU03 series PLCs, D-Series couplers, and D-Series I/O modules, is widely applicable in medium to large-scale conventional control, motion control, and other industrial settings. The entire D-Series control system features a removable redundant, large aperture, 1.5 square millimeter, pluggable terminal block design for efficient installation and wiring. A high-speed redundant backplane bus design reduces the data refresh cycle to 0.6 milliseconds while doubling the reliability of backplane communication. Equipped with a multi-function display screen for intuitive viewing of real-time and historical alarm information. Diagnostic information supports power-down storage and includes power supply diagnostics, communication diagnostics, terminal seating diagnostics, etc., enabling precise fault localization and significantly improving troubleshooting efficiency. High EMC performance design, with key indicators such as ESD, electrostatic discharge, EFT, electrical fast transient, and surge, lightning surge, surpassing IEC 61131-2 standard requirements, ensuring robust performance in various harsh industrial environments. Components utilize a fully domestic solution, ensuring complete autonomy and control from design and software R&D to manufacturing. Leveraging decades of company R&D experience and standardized production lines, product quality is stable and the supply chain is secure. The software, developed on the IEC's platform, is compatible with both IEC 61131-3 and IEC 61499 standards. In IEC 61499 mode, it can form a distributed control network, supporting multi-PLC load balancing and true distributed control, suitable for large-scale control systems. Supports motion control for 16 to 128 axes, enabling precise multi-axis control based on EtherCAT servos. Also supports PROFIBUS over TS in-ring network redundancy, with future expandability for multi-PLC control redundancy, further enhancing system stability. The programming software supports both Windows and Linux operating systems, deployable on local PCs or remote servers, featuring web-based programming and installation-free debugging. Supports programming in ST, LD, FD, BD, as well as high-level languages like C and C++, facilitating IT and OT integration. Can natively expand up to 32 D-Series I/O modules. Also supports expanding D-Series, remote, I/O via industrial communication protocols like PROFIBUS and EtherCAT, flexibly meeting on-site. Control point requirements. Supports multiple communication protocols including EtherCAT, PROFIBUS, Modbus RTU ASCII, Modbus TCP, OPCUA, and SYN-Open, enabling seamless data exchange with field devices and host computers, and adapting to diverse industrial control scenarios. D-Series couplers support a wide range of protocols and offer strong expansion capabilities. They are compatible with various mainstream protocols such as EtherCAT, PROFIBUS, Modbus TCP, Ethernet IP, and CC-Link IE Field Basic. They can function as standard slave devices, compatible with any third-party standard master device using the corresponding protocol, offering excellent compatibility. Odot D-Series, remote, I/O modules come in a complete range and rich variety of types. In addition to standard digital and analog input/output modules, special function modules like communication modules are available to meet the control needs of different industrial sites. They can directly serve as expansion I/O for D-Series PLCs and couplers, achieving reliable connection via the redundant backplane bus, providing support for expanding system control points and satisfying diverse industrial field control requirements. Addressing the needs for high stability and cost-effectiveness in industrial control, the Odot D-Series control system insists on independent R&D and our own patent, delivering stable, reliable, and autonomously controllable professional solutions to safeguard production for users worldwide, ensuring efficient and stable operation.